Hello and welcome to Macoutlet. Today we will show you how to upgrade the SSD drive on your MacBook Air. Let's get started. First, remove the back cover from your MacBook and carefully disconnect the power supply. Using a Torx screwdriver, remove the screw holding the old SSD drive in place and slide the drive out of its slot. Now you can insert your new SSD drive and screw it back into place. Reconnect the power supply and replace the back cover.
You are done. For more tips like these, subscribe to our channel, and for more information about our products and services, please visit our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.